How to change your name on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your name on Twitter. So the first thing you want to do is simply open your Twitter app on your mobile device. And now if you are not logged into your account, simply log into your account. Now once you're logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where on the top left corner of your screen, you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on it. And now in order to change the name on your Twitter account, simply tap on the option profile. After that, you'll be taken to your profile where right over here you can see the option edit profile. Simply tap on it and now you'll be shown your name. Now in order to change your name, you can simply make changes to your name. For now, I'll simply remove the space. And now once you've done that, simply tap on save, which is on the top right corner of your screen, and there you have it. That is basically how you change your name on Twitter. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.